Cut open the sealing tape on the package. Take out the EASWE M10 mobility scooter main frame. Remove all protective pads. Unfold and adjust the tiller angle, then secure it with the knob. Unfold the seat frame. Pull out the spring pin and release it to lock in place. Place the high-resilience cushion on the seat. Install both armrests. Tighten the armrest position with the screw knob. Attach the storage basket to the front of the scooter. Lift the rubber mat and place the battery into the battery compartment. If there is a spare battery, place it in the reserved position. Insert the key. Both armrests can be lifted up to 90. Push the yellow lever upward to switch to manual mode. Push the yellow lever downward to return to automatic mode. Turn the key to start the scooter. Turn on the headlight. Press the horn button to sound the horn. Rotate the knob to adjust speed. Press the right lever to move forward. Press the left lever to move backward. Turn the key to power off the scooter. Connect the charger. Open the waterproof cover and plug in the charger. Close the waterproof cover after charging. Lift the rubber mat and remove the battery. Insert the charging plug into the battery. After charging, reinstall the battery. Unscrew and remove both armrests. Remove the seat cushion. Pull out the spring pin and fold the seat frame. Remove the storage basket. Loosen the tiller knob and fold down the tiller. Folding completed. Lift the tiller and secure it with the knob. Raise the seat frame and lock it in place. Install the battery and storage basket. Place the seat cushion back. Install and secure both armrests. Unfolding completed. The storage basket is removable and can be tightened at the top. A storage pocket is located on the scooter's back. The USB-A port on the tiller can charge electronic devices. The rear pocket features a 3 meters reflective design for night safety. Anti-tip wheels provide extra stability. Lift the armrest for easy boarding. Once started, you can drive freely. When braking, the rear brake light illuminates.